I don't think it's worth rain gear when we're this close.
Yeah, there's a little piece of it.
I just seen it bounce off the four-wheeler.
Yeah, tiny little hail coming at us.
It's hail.
A little bit of hail or sleet or whatever it is.
One of them hit me right in the lip, and it hurt.
It don't feel good, I tell you that. Oh, ouch!
I told
Yeah,
you
there's
guys.
weed just sitting on my seat.
Oh, there's sheep.
Hey,
There's ice.
I just got knuckled by a piece of hail.
There's hail. And
There is,
sheep.
in fact, there's a lot of hail now.
And guys, that hurts. Stop. Guys, stop pointing at.
I hope it doesn't get any bigger than this.
I know it. Borderline.
I like having me a roof right now.
This feels like paintball.
All I know is I'm glad I got a helmet on.
Oh man, there's some slapping my legs though.
I'm thinking the hell.
She ain't too comfy.
Are you kidding me?